In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a post on LinkedIn. If you want to share an update, promote something you're working on, or simply stay active on the platform, creating a post on LinkedIn is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process in a simple way so you can confidently publish your content. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your feed. This is the main homepage where you normally see updates from your network, companies, and creators you follow. If you're already signed in, this is usually the first page you'll land on. Starting from the feed makes it easy to access the post creation tools right away. Once you're on the feed, look for the area that says Start a Post and click on it. This will open the Post Composer, which is the space where you can write and prepare what you want to share. If you've never used it before, think of it as the main editing window for your LinkedIn update. It's designed to be simple, so you can focus on your message. Next, add your content. This is where you type the text for your post. You can write a short update, share a professional insight, announce a project, or post something relevant to your industry. As you write, try to keep your message clear and easy to read. If your post is meant to inform or engage people, it helps to be direct and specific. You can also take a moment to review your wording before publishing, just to make sure everything sounds the way you want it to. When your content is ready, click Post. This will publish your update to LinkedIn so it becomes visible in the feed based on your account settings and audience. After posting, your content can be seen by your connections or other users, depending on how your profile and post visibility are set up. That's all it takes to create a post on LinkedIn. The process is simple. Go to your feed, open the post box, add your content, and publish it. If you're using LinkedIn regularly, posting consistently can help you stay visible and build engagement over time. Before you share, it's always a good idea to quickly proofread your post for clarity, tone, and any small mistakes. Now, you know exactly how to create a post on LinkedIn, and you can start sharing your updates with confidence.